How to use Nolo Small Business Legal properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Many entrepreneurs assume Nolo Small Business Legal is a one-size-fits-all solution, but the surprising truth is that beginners often make mistakes that can cost time, money, or legal headaches. The first mistake is selecting the wrong legal forms. Nolo offers documents for wills, partnerships, contracts, and more. Choosing incorrectly can delay filings or create compliance issues. Identify your specific legal need before starting. Another common error is failing to customize documents. Generic forms won't account for your business's unique structure, agreements, or obligations. Modify clauses to reflect reality, such as profit distribution, roles, or deadlines. Many users overlook state-specific requirements. Laws differ widely, and beginners who ignore signing, filing, or notarization rules risk invalid documents. Always verify state compliance. Neglecting review is another pitfall. Even when forms are completed correctly, not having a professional check them can lead to errors or legal gaps. Consider attorney consultation for critical matters. Finally, some assume Nolo handles ongoing compliance. Small business legal needs are continuous, including contracts, employee agreements, and regulatory updates. Regularly review and update your documents. To use Nolo Small Business Legal properly, select the correct forms, customize thoroughly, follow state rules, review documents, and maintain ongoing compliance. Avoid these mistakes, and your business will be legally secure and organized from the start.